What's good, angels? It's your girl Earth Angel, naturally all up on your screen with another reaction video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If it's the first time you are coming, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get more videos like this, and also to follow me on social media. All the links are in the description down below so that you can keep up to date with everything that happens over here at Earth Angel Naturally. For today's video, like I said, it's a reaction video. Listen to the very heart, so you are gonna see me fanning, okay, just to let you know. All right, for today's reaction video, I am going to be reacting to Queen Naijah's Butterflies Part 2. Now, if you have been watching my channel for a long time, you would have seen me react to Queen Naijah's music already. I reacted to her music video for Medicine. I'm a big fan of Queen. I don't even know what that, but I'm not gonna look. I'm a very big fan of Queen and everything that Queen does, and I'm just really excited to see what she did with this music video. I know Clarence in there already and all type of vibes, so let's just jump into it. I'm sure I never come here for really hear my chat, or I come here for see what I have to say about the video, right? So let's do that. Oh, this is so beautiful. No, this pretty. I love the colors and how everything just, oh my god, I'm in my bed right now. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so I feel like I'm capturing the perfect mood for this music video right now. I'm in my bed, I'm comfy, I have in my braids. This video just look like summertime out in the park, and it is in love, and it falling in love, and it's all just romantic. Oh gosh, I'm gonna draw a pillow close to me, huh? I feel like me hold on somebody. Oh gosh, I love this. Aww. See Clarence, you know. $3,300,000 views, guys. Over 3,300,000 views. I love this queen. Oh my god. Yeah, I let us dance all over listen to, guys. My favorite genre is actually R&B. Butterflies, crazy how we fly, even when we fight. I love this song, and the music video is just beautiful, though, man. What's your? But love the at-home part here. The at-home part here, nice. Bumper, right here, so look like one real top-notch R&B CD. Right here, so look like one real back in the days R&B, Keisha Cole type of vibe. I remember when I gave up loving you. Queen, you're really an R&B artist. I'm not telling no lie. You and Tiana Taylor, no fail me at all. I'm not telling no lie. Tiana Taylor, I need to react to next, trust me. But I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice, guys. I love this, so calming, and I feel listen to this when I go on my bed tonight. Oh, yes. Oh, see the braids there, guys. I tell you. This nice for real. This right here, so this nice. Wait, some having my braids, so guys. I'm telling you, know, some at the perfect time I choose to react to that video here. Like I'm a mood.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
This night, if my man do this to me, me that drop down and dead. Oh my god. I'm matching you with my braids, girl. I'm obsessed with Queen and Clarence relationship. Like, aww, I see. Oh, hey, still get butterflies. If y'all haven't seen this, check this out. For all of my people, my session subscribers, my Angel Advice subscribers, my subscribers who are here for Earth Angel Naturally and all things Earth Angel Naturally, you can check out Queen Naja's Butterfly. It's a really nice vibe. Very calm, very beautiful. I mean, if you're in that type of mood, trust me, this is a song for you. And like I said, I love R&B soul music, so this was like right on my alley. I'm definitely going to listen to this again, download it on my phone, the whole works. So big up yourself, Queen Naija. I love the music video to this. I respect how much effort she's putting behind making sure that her work is, you know, truly and authentically her, and I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I mean, I don't know how many of you are subscribed to me actually know who Queen Naija is, but if you do, let me know what you thought about the music video and what you thought as well about like Queen overall. Like, just comment and tell me what is on your mind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit the like button, give my like button some love, show my like button some love, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one. And also follow me on social media. All the links are in the description bar down below. Alright, angels, until next time, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.